Care every dream of health. Focus on each hope of trust. SHINVA Medical commits itself to follow the step of health industry with 70 years of history. Arouse your imagination with passion and enthusiasm. "70 years born in the flames of war. "70 years growing up with the People's Republic. "70 years chasing the reform step of national medical and healthcare system. 70 years surpassing constantly to realize the China dream with a joint heart. Now, SHINVA Medical products, schemes, and service spread in 400,000 medical institutions, colleges and universities, and research institutes, over 2,600 pharmaceutical factories, and 20,000 hospitals in 32 provinces and cities in China. Our products are exported to over 80 countries and regions globally, such as radiotherapy products, radiodiagnosis products, infection control products, pharmaceutical equipments, surgical instruments, medical environmental protection products, the OR engineering products, IVD reagents, medical disposable materials, and other products. The SHINVA Medical national frame of one body with two wings is set up with 3 core zones of Shandong, Beijing, and Shanghai. Non-stop creation is only due to the irresistible committing spirit deep in heart. On the road of health industry, technology innovation, and capital operation, SHINVA Medical is engaged in creating more SHINVA miracles throughout the world with a sense of dedication and responsibility. What we have got today is the reward of the insistency on dream pursuit. Business startup, assuming the significant responsibility of the first medical devices production enterprise of the party and the army, it has developed into the current scale of 11 industrial parks from the shabby workshops, which demonstrates the booming development of SHINVA Medical. From national to international, from the first simple surgical instrument to the overall systematic solution of health industry provided for the global users. SHINVA Medical has grown to be a leading brand of medical devices industry, with the integration of globalization, industrialization, and collectivization. SHINVA Medical always absorbs international advanced managing concepts, systems, and modes. Adhere the enterprise culture of the Army culture of all direction following, the Qilu culture of integrity and struggling, and the modern enterprise concept of customer value focus, and promote hundreds of thousands talent project to jointly build a platform for employees to communicate freely and collect wise ideas. Persistently stick to technology innovation. Adhere to the creative advocate of self-denial and excellence pursuit. Create an efficient third-grade R&D system. Successively establish R&D mechanisms such as Beijing R&D Center and Shanghai R&D Center. Dedicate in the innovation of humanized production design, humanized scheme design with maximum scientific research input. Set up humanized brand of medical devices. Inspire the creative power of the scientific research team. Firmly insist on constant perfection and improvement of quality system. SHINVA Medical successively passed ISO 9001, ISO 13485 Quality Management Certificate, and ISO 14001 Environmental Management Certificate. Its main products passed the certificates such as EUCE. SHINVA Medical actively takes part in the formulation of national and industrial standards. Co-draft 78 national standards and industrial standards with the joint effort of relevant national organizations and experts. Persistently stick to innovative cooperation. Insist on the creative power with the guiding of customer demand. Set up the innovative mode of unifying scientific research institute while relying on high-quality subjects in colleges and universities, and combining production with study and research. Persistently stick to capital operation. SHINVA Medical takes advantage of brand effect and smooth financing channels to realize commercial mode innovation and promote wise enterprise development. Successfully set up the 3 industrial sectors of medical devices, pharmaceutical equipment, and medical service. Gradually develop into the super aircraft carrier of medical devices industry of China. Persistently stick to service innovation, change service concept, breakthrough service awareness, detailing service network, all-around service of 360 degrees. Set up 24-hour market service line to eliminate the communication distance. A long journey must start with the very first step, and the pursuing is endless. Time. Shoulder SHINVA Medical glory tasks. Time. Assume SHINVA Medical lofty responsibility. Both the deep care and concern of the state leaders and the glory task of the representatives of the 2 sessions are all outstanding embodiments of SHINVA Medical's value. For health, 70 years. Be credible for future. Under the direction of managing team with Jiao Yixin, chairman of the board as the leader, SHINVA Medical continuously promotes the internationalization of its medical devices and applies internationalized concept, structure, management, and globalized products, team and service to lead SHINVA Medical to become a world-class international enterprise with great international effect. Standing at the joint point of past and future, create century dream of SHINVA Medical. Set up century brand of SHINVA Medical. Stride proudly with confidence. Continue to forge forward. Apply the power of the China dream with strong faith and belief to create a new chapter of SHINVA Medical.